All right, let's dive straight into this explainer. It's wild, but nearly half of all service bookings actually happen after your business is closed for the day. So today, we're exploring how an automated appointment booking system can literally transform your business operations by 2026. If managing your schedule feels like a full-time job on its own, well, you're exactly in the right place. We're going to look at how this technology is shifting scheduling from a massive manual headache into a real driver of business growth. So I have to ask, are you still managing your appointments through endless phone calls, juggling WhatsApp messages, scribbling in notebooks, or, wrestling with clunky spreadsheets? Be totally honest with yourself here. If the answer is yes, you're almost certainly losing customers. You're definitely wasting incredibly valuable time, and you're probably dealing with super frustrating no-shows every single day. That chaotic reality? That's exactly what we're going to fix. Section 1. The scheduling trap. The hidden costs of manual booking. Picture a completely typical Tuesday, right? A customer calls after hours, nobody answers, so they go straight to a competitor. Boom, lost revenue. Meanwhile, a tiny spreadsheet error creates a dreaded double booking, which ends up frustrating two clients at once. Throw in a no-show who just, forgot, and now your staff is wasting hours untangling this whole mess instead of helping the client standing right in front of them. It's just an exhausting cycle of lost time and lost revenue. Moving on to Section 2. Meet your digital receptionist. What is appointment automation? Well, the solution here is an appointment booking system. In simple terms, it's just software that lets customers schedule their own appointments online without ever needing to call your office. It completely lifts the burden of all that manual chaos right off your shoulders. It's a real game changer that cleanly separates the outdated practices of the past from the smooth digital efficiency we expect in 2026. Honestly, think of this software as your best employee, one who literally never sleeps. You get a dedicated online booking page, instant automated confirmations, and SMS or WhatsApp reminders. That means you're reaching people right on their phones where they actually look. Plus, it handles all the calendar syncing, effortlessly manages your staff scheduling, and keeps a full appointment history. It does the whole shebang around the clock, meaning you don't have to. Which brings us to Section 3, how the workflow actually works, the 4-step automation process. Let's walk through exactly what this looks like for your customer. Step 1, they visit your page and pick the specific service, date, and time they want. Easy. Step 2, the system fires off an instant confirmation via SMS, email, or WhatsApp. Step 3, it sends out automatic reminders leading up to the date. And finally, Step 4, once the appointment is actually done, your business records update automatically. It's totally frictionless from start to finish. Nobody in your office has to lift a single finger. Now check out the rhythm of these reminders. 24 hours before, then 2 hours before, then just 30 minutes before. This rule of 3 countdown is absolutely crucial. It builds this foolproof reliability against no-shows. You're effectively wiping out the classic, "oh, I forgot" excuse entirely, simply because the system is handling all the nagging for you. All right, Section 4, industry-specific game changers, tailored benefits across niches. What's really cool is how versatile this is. Whether you're running a clinic or a consultancy, the perks adapt perfectly. Take clinics, for example, like a dental office or a physio center. For them, it's all about reducing patient no-shows and much faster management. But if you run a salon or a spa, it becomes this amazing tool for managing staff availability and boosting customer retention. And for consultants, lawyers, accountants, business coaches, it saves massive amounts of time while projecting this incredibly professional, highly organized image. So look at this split reality. Over on the customer side, the experience is literally a breeze. Open the page, pick a service, choose a time, and hit submit. Done. But simultaneously, behind the scenes on your end, you receive that booking instantly on a seamlessly updated calendar where you can track everything with zero effort. It's the ultimate win-win, contrasting the incredible ease of use for them with the instant, organized data for you. And finally, Section 5, the final business results, the after picture. Let's put the manual past side by side with the automated future. The old way is just full of missed appointments, this towering admin workload, and completely disorganized operations, right? But the automated future, we're talking increased bookings, a drastically reduced admin burden, and way better customer satisfaction. To put that into perspective, it takes hours of weekly busy work and just deletes it. It clearly validates this software as the ultimate savior for both your time and your revenue. So if you're ready to stop losing customers to missed calls and clunky scheduling, there's a clear path forward here. You can actually upgrade and get the system implemented right now by reaching out to +92 345 485 8540. The ultimate takeaway from all of this is pretty simple. Book more, miss less, grow faster. It really is that straightforward. But, it leaves us with a fascinating question to chew on. As AI and automation take over all this tedious busy work of scheduling, what are you going to build with all that human time you finally get back? Thanks for hanging out with me for this explainer. See you next time.